name's Kemba in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for the video, and if you're new, then welcome. So today, I got a wig unboxing. I have my hair in a bonnet because I'm going to actually put the wig on. I've noticed that people get a little bit upset and be ready to tussle with me because I split the videos up, like my first impressions versus my unboxings. So we just gonna put it together. Yeah, so I have a headband wig from Elfin hair, and on the bag it says best quality and most competitive price, and it's www.elfinhair.com. Now this package was supposed to be delivered to me October 15th. I remember the day because I saw it and I've been seeing it forever. It's like expected October 15th. I didn't get this until like I think it got delivered around Christmas. They made me change my address twice. And yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Mia, seriously? I don't know what's going on over there. I don't know if it was my fault or their fault, but here we are. So in the bag, it came with this card. It's just like showing this and their QR codes and stuff, I guess, for like if I want to share my thoughts on them or something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, there's that. And I don't remember, because it was so long ago, I don't remember if I had to order headbands or if they just sent me some. So I have this one that's like pineapples. It has like, you know, a cute little crisscross thing in the front. I'm not too hot about that one. I have this one as well, which is kind of cute. It's very, like, I would definitely wear this to like work. It's getting very sophisticated. And it's like neutral, so I kind of like that. And then I also have this one, which is giving me patriotic, and I'm not the most patriotic person out here, so I might wear it if I have navy blue on. And then I have yet another cheetah print. I have so many cheetah print headbands at this point. And I think this one will show you the best. Like, well, the texture isn't really doing too much. Like, it doesn't feel cheap, but it doesn't feel like quality. I don't know. I mean, they're just headbands, I guess. And then I also got a two-piece wig cap. That's not my color, but it doesn't matter because it's a headband wig. And then they sent me this headband. I definitely know for a fact I did not order this. Yeah, but I will not. I highly doubt this will be on my head ever. Anyways, so here is the hair. And of course it comes in a little net. It is 20 inches and I ordered it in body wave. See, this is what I need. It's giving me the density that I asked for. I can't remember if I picked like 180. I think I probably picked 180 for the density, but like, yo, this is what I needed. Okay, this is what I needed. It comes obviously with a Velcro headband. It has combs on the top and combs on the side, and one comb all the way in the back. Hopefully this looks like it'll fit my head. Yeah, so I'm going to take my bonnet and scarf off and then put on one of these caps, and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I put the cap on. I just want to let you guys know, underneath this, I have, I used the hair cream from Coco Plum's Beauty for a braid out. And then on my edges, I've used the My Black is Beautiful edge control. I'm really starting to grow to love that one. So yeah, that's what's on my edges. And I just put on one of the caps that they sent me in the pack, and we're just gonna throw this wig on. Okay, y'all, so I finally got this wig on. Let me tell y'all something. This is too small. It is too small. I had to do a lot of stretching to get this to fully cover my head. So there's that. I definitely need to check this size so I don't get it again. But yeah, so that was a struggle to get on. The hair has been in that package for a long time. Like I said, it was shipped in October and not delivered until December. Like they didn't just hold it. It was like shipping delays and stuff. So it's a bit tangled. So what I'm going to do is probably get like a spray bottle and brush this out so we can see how it really looks, and I can give you guys my first thoughts. The hair is soft. Like right now it is tangled a little bit. Yeah, and it's nice. It's like natural looking, which I like. It's not like pitch black or anything like that, so that's cute. But yeah, we're gonna spray this up and brush it, and I'll be back after I spray and brush it so you guys can see how it would look if I were to wear it out. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I remember I ordered this hair in body wave, and as you can see, it's not giving body wave. It's kind of just giving blow dried, I guess, which I mean, I guess is okay. What I'll do is probably wet it a little bit and then braid it, and then, you know, brush it out in the mornings when I decide to wear it. So I actually had it in a side part because my hair is part up to the side a little bit. Well, not a part, but you know, just kind of had more hair on one side. But then I decided that I need to frame my face just a little bit. I do this every time I get a wig. I don't know who I think I am trimming it, but yeah, I just need, because here it is. Oh, that's not even. So it goes all the way down here. I am by far nobody's professional. So I just do that just to make it look a little bit less intense in the front. I did kind of like, yeah, I think I'll probably end up cutting again or whatever, but I don't know. So my first impressions, the hair is really, really soft, very like silky. And it's full, like full. There's a lot of hair on this unit, but one thing is that I have experienced, well, I experienced shedding when I'm detangling. I don't think I got any new shedding, but like when it was tangled, I got a good amount of shedding. So there's that. This hair is really nice. Like it looks like I just blew out some hair, but I'm just obsessed with the fullness. So my favorite part of it is the texture. Well, not the texture because that'd be body wave and it's not. My favorite part is how nice and soft and good it feels, and also how much hair is on this unit. Like I don't know how many times I have to say it, but I'm obsessed because I've been getting like these body wave and things like that, like wigs from like Amazon, and they just don't have this much hair on them. Like I am a natural. When I have a wig, I want there to be a lot of hair because I'm used to, you know, thick hair. So I don't want anything thin. That doesn't even make sense. So yeah, when I get wigs, I expect them to be thick and full, like this one. It's really cute, actually. I may end up just like straightening this or braiding it up, depending on how I feel. I might do both. Or I might just use my blow dryer or blow it, it'll be straight since his hair is so silky. But yeah, so I think it's super cute. She's cute. This headband is super thick, and the headbands they gave me aren't. So like I had to push it up under this, and then you still see all this black right here. Oh, yeah, so I don't really know. Also, if you got a big head, be cautious because this is dangerous. Like, it almost exposed me, but you know, headband wigs are kind of easy to finesse because if you put a headband on top, you won't see any things that you're not supposed to see. So yeah, this is how it looks. If I can find the link, I will put it down below. And well, if you click the link, you'll see how much it costs. But I think this was like $100, but it was on sale. But I think this brand has a lot of sales, so I'm not sure. But I absolutely love it. Love it. No, literally the only thing, one, it has that hair smell, you know, like that hair smell. But it's not like the bad one, it just smells like hair. But yeah, that's it, guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. You can also find my coupon codes for all of the natural hair products that I have codes for and everything like that, and some also some tools and things. So if any of those pique your interest, make sure you click the link and use my code. And that is all I have for you guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.